Across Bukidnon State University Talisayan campus, many students balance both studies and work. Some are breadwinners, some are part-time workers, and others are served in our local government offices in Talisayan and Balingwan. For them, time is a daily change.
Usahay, gikan kong trabaho, kapoy kaayo, pero nidya po na ako magsulod sa eskwela kay para makatuon. Dili mo sana ko pwede biyan akong trabaho kay nidya po na ako ang kwarta.
May mga events sa munisipyo, usahay, malit ko, usahay, absent, then kung sa trabaho lang, mag-isip dito nga magdungan din ako akong pag-eskwela o trabaho kay diligin malikayan nga tunga kaya ako magalingon nga trabaho ito eskwela.
Ako nagisaligan sa mong pamilya. Mao bitaw nang kailangan ako magtrabaho pero tungod sa schedule sa klase, dili ko makapasa sa mga requirements.
For students who work during the day, having night classes is not a luxury. It's a lifeline. It provides flexibility, reduces stress, and helps them stay committed to both their education and livelihood.
Actually, daghan kayo working student diri sa Bugso, pero much better kung naay night class kay mas ma-manage man ang mga time.
Kapang yung ganun na siya mga
Night class options can help working students in three ways. First, flexibility. They can work during the day and study at night. Second, better academic performance. Students have more time and energy to complete requirements. Third, reduce stress. No need to choose between income and education.
Nanghinaot ni nga tagaan ning chance nga naay night class kay mas dako ni katabang sa among mga working student.
mas motivated ang pag-eskwela namo kung flexible ang schedule.
Dili mi mapokus ug pili trabaho o eskwela.
Bukso Talisayan Campus is home to many hardworking, determined, and resilient working students. Providing night class options is not just an academic adjustment. It's an act of support, understanding, and empowerment. It allows every student to continue dreaming, learning, and working toward a better future.